Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to send international payments with Wise. So the first thing that we are going to do, of course, is open the Wise app, and then after doing so, you should be able to see here the send button. I want you to go ahead and click that over there, and from this point forward, we're going to go ahead and choose international. So I'm going to go ahead and enter, say for example, but $100. After entering $100, the next thing that you are going to do is basically choose the payment method. So to do that, just go ahead and click this over here, and you should be able to see different payment methods. Now take note though that for different payment methods, you should be able to see here different fees. So for example, the cheapest one is here, and then you have this one, and then you have the Swift transfer together with Wise transfer. They're the same, and then down below you should be able to see here differently as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and close this one, and the next thing that you're going to do is choose the currency that you're going to be sending. Say for example, if I were to send to Australian dollar, I can go ahead and click that over there, and then down below you can choose what currency the recipient gets. Say for example, I'm going to click this one and I'm going to choose euro, just like so. You should be able to see here how much euro they're going to be receiving. Now, say for example, though, you are going to be sending a fixed amount to that particular person. What you are going to do is head over here down below, and you're going to be sending from here, or you're going to be setting from here. Say for example, you want that person exactly to receive 100 euro. You're going to go ahead and enter here 100 euro, and then it's going to be adjusted to the currency that you have here. So that is very important. And then down below, you should be able to see here to continue, or if you want to compare it, you can definitely do that. Click that over there, and you should be able to see here different comparisons. So yep, that is how it goes. You can go ahead and close this one and then tap the continue button down below. Now from here, we're gonna be choosing the recipient. So if you have the recipient here already, you can definitely do that. Otherwise, you can also go ahead and click this one right here in order for you to add a recipient on your own. So would it be yourself, someone else, or a business or charity? So say for example, someone else. Again, we're doing international transfer, so I'm going to click that over there, and then I'm going to go ahead and enter the details here. So you have the optional, which is this one right here, and then down below, recipient's bank details. If they are inside Europe, you can go ahead and enter the full name and the IBAN. If they are located outside of Europe, you can click that, and then you should be able to see here the different option or the details needed. So yeah, just go ahead and enter them and then tap the confirm button, and you should be able to send an international payments with Wise.